Well, here comes the rain again. Oh, last, what, week and a half? There's been a hell of a lot of rain. I know I got caught in it. Well, once with my bike, as you know, and then had to keep my bike at work, and then still had to drop off at base to pick up groceries, and yeah, I got wet coming home, walking that time, because like I said, I left my bike at work. But yep, here it comes again, and at least I'm home. But you can see it traveling in. That's why I like living up high on in the building. Let's see, and I can hear a little bit of thunder too. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can see it coming in. Over here. All I care about all I care about is if it stops before work and coming home it doesn't rain. Other than that, I don't care. This is, as we all know, good sleeping weather. All right, that's it. Rain's rain. You've seen it before.